Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, BNB is coming down here currently in this potential C wave after we had a B wave top in April. In April, yeah, we have a 5-wave move down, or at least we are about to finish it. Now we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. I would consider this a wave 4. Can possibly also be counted as a triangle. Well, maybe not because of this high, but I guess you could probably count it as that, but it's not the most likely count. So WXY up here seems to be the right choice for this wave 4 correction that peaked in July. Yeah, and then I'm watching here for this 5-wave move down currently in 5-wave move down here in this last wave, basically. Okay, so 5th wave of the C wave. Okay, so here. And in this 5-wave move, we are probably in circle wave 4, which means one more low could finish off this entire correction. Ideally, that's at least the bullish interpretation. I would have to change my view below 184. Already now, I mean, this is not high confidence that we're going to finish the correction down here, because there is a potentially much more ugly correction along on the way. And that would be the red wave count, where we go a little lower than 184 in a 3rd wave. Then we should see a larger 4th wave corrective rally and the 5th wave down, potentially reaching roughly the $120 level, which is the next Fibonacci support on the longer time frame, which would be visible here on the long-term chart. Yeah, it's basically $119, the 38.2 retracement of this larger rally that peaked in 2021. This is the next Fib support. So either the bear market low is in and was in here in June last year, and this is a 1-2 setup, but it has pulled back quite deep. So it's basically a deeper wave 2 than it would be ideal, which is not reliable. So we have to be very honest that we could see another bear market low, absolutely likely. The market or BNB is currently very boring, super boring. So, but there is not enough buying interest to drive the prices higher. And what we see here is a potential triangle. It looks very similar to here. And honestly, maybe you can count it very well as a triangle actually, but it doesn't make any difference. So the current sideways range looks like an Elliott wave triangle, which is typically a 5-wave move and which should typically break to the downside. I just need to change the wave degree here. 5-wave move as an ABCDE pattern, and the E wave would complete the triangle. And the E wave, if we get an E wave actually, right, it would be ideal to get one more high. I mean, you could argue maybe the wave 4 finished here. It just made a slightly higher high than that one. Technically speaking, with that the triangle is invalid, or at least I cannot consider it already complete. But then, you know, in a Wild West market like crypto, I wouldn't rule out that we're already breaking down now. Still though, ideally, if we strictly apply the rules, one more lower high is missing, ideally into resistance, which is sitting, and I might need to adjust it slightly, which is basically sitting between $216 and $219. The price gets into that region, it would be ideal to get a rejection from there and then a breakdown in this 5th wave. And then the ideal target for this move down is between $184 and $200. 184 is basically the so far bear market low. If we go below that level, then the 1-2 setup that I showed you here on the weekly chart, 1-2, which would be bullish, will be invalidated. And I already give it's already low confidence because the price basically retraced in this current wave 2 too much. So yeah, I think primarily I'm watching for a breakdown price. Yeah, I mean, if we see a break below the last swing low, which is here at $207, that would be a confirmation. Yeah, that would be a confirmation that we are breaking down. An even better confirmation would be a break below the B wave low at $204. And then we should get into this region. That's my update about BNB at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.